Last year has been a lot of effort in looking at new technologies that we need. The legislature always challenges us to show IT leadership and services, and as we look across all the different agencies, there seems like there's not a lot of overlap. So we ought to be able to provide some good resources for them that's efficient, aligns to state policies, and then hopefully enables some easier procurements. And so focusing on that, and then also looking at the existing services we have. Always want to make those a compelling purchase. Looking how do we push decisions to the agencies and how they manage those services, providing more choice, just like the industry is doing. We have to do the same. Legacy modernization right now is a huge focus for our department. As a state, we've got a massive technology debt. Trying to understand how we do that in an effective architecture, not just a matter of replacing old systems with a new system that looks and feels the same, but it has got a new software date on it, but really understanding how are we providing enterprise models and getting those modernization efforts to be done and not just agency by agency, but across the board. Other things that we're looking at, trying to understand open data opportunities. It's a huge effort across the nation, but doing that in real time with different agencies and all of their concerns, and being able to put that effort in a manner that gives them confidence that their data is safe if it needs to be, if it's an interagency type of sharing. Giving them confidence for the ability to keep it up to date. And we've got a statewide data coordinator who's doing a great job, and a lot of it is really facilitating the people part of that and realizing what information is needed and how we can put that out there for everyone to absorb. Standard answer is it's the people, right? You always have to keep aware of what people are doing and being able to train them and that, but you know, it's the constant change, it's the pace of change, it's the new technologies, it's the threats and their creative ways of looking at it and communicating those and getting those in a consistent communication avenue and policy is a huge challenge. As a provider, first thing we have to do is make sure we're not inhibiting innovation. Great ideas come out there, but they can't get it done because the network's not there, the security's not there, for whatever reason. And so working to stay ahead of that and make sure that we've got really strong infrastructure and policy practices to enable it, certainly not hinder it, is key. And then the second is it's as simple as communication. So pulling together vendors with agencies. So we've started a program called Technology Showcase. So we get, we'll pick a topic, and it's about every 3 weeks or so, different topic, get 3 different vendors to come in. And from an agency customer standpoint, it's really interesting to hear how that technology, while it may be the same technology from a category, how different vendors are tackling it, where they're going, what those roadmaps are, really enlightening. And hopefully that sponsors agencies to move forward in procurements and implementations. You know, I'll go back to the earlier comment about just the pace of change. Everything from the security environment and keeping up with that change to where technology is enabling new positive opportunities, the Internet of Things, which is our focus here today, and understanding what that really means to state agencies and how we partner with others. Trying to set a path that lets agencies have a consistent understanding of where we're going as a state, and so that then it enables them to move forward is the biggest challenge and something that we'll just continually have to work on.